sounds. Do I sound sad? Can you hear it in me? When I utter banalities or common courtesies about inclement weather or paying bills or other everyday utilities, is that all I'm saying to you? Or do your ears twitch at a catch, a crack, a different quality? So, tea or coffee? Comes with neither milk nor sugar, but rather a side of, your choice doesn't actually matter to me, because neither will bring my dead baby back to life. Huh. Or when I ask for someone to email me some very important thing, does my reply seem to be in some kind of dolorous code, thanking them for distracting me from my melancholy? Or when I say, a return ticket to the city, please? Perhaps you'd be aware of the silent addendum, not that she'll ever return to me, because she's dead. These are all thoughts I've had, by the way. So please laugh at me and my ability to dramatise, catastrophise, and generally over-egg the grief pudding of my eternal sense of loss. Some things deserve derision occasionally, maybe. Perhaps now, 4 years out, my subtext has truly become subliminal. I no longer shout my pain in every word. I even talk about sad things with an air of warm reassurance. Then I eavesdrop on myself, hear a fragment of my voice on someone else's answer phone, or notice something alien in my sister's tone that used to be so similar to my own but now seems less familiar. And I hear it plainly. The sound of ancient agony rasped across my vocal cords, and I wonder how it's possible that people can hear me speak and not weep. How anyone could ever answer me without their own remembered grief bursting out until we are all wailing at the sky. Sorrow's choir swelling loud, out, out, up, wildly shaking the world, hurling us about. So we'll never forget her or anyone. Lost names thunder against the horizon and burst the eardrums of the lucky ones. Windows shatter, the plates of the earth shift and grate. Teeth rattle, trees are wrenched from the soil. Violent noises, siren voices, all around, surrounded until it seems the ground would yield up her dead. Is that how I sound? Is that how I sound? Or am I only sad in silence now?